Gems and Gents, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is in collaboration with Irresistible Me Hair Extensions. I will have a discount code for you gems. It's going to be irresistiblemE_glamourous, and this is their curly ponytail in a 20-inch, and it's just a clip-in ponytail. So I'm just showing you all how it looks initially out of the package. So if you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Of course, if you are a returning gem or gent, welcome back. I typically don't do hair tutorials on the channel, so I just wanted to show you a different kind of content and how to achieve a really cute and simple updo. So my hair is kind of dirty, so please don't mind that. So I like to use my L as well as the Style Factor Edge Control just to kind of slick my edges. And I recently relaxed my hair and I definitely regret it because it has taken a huge toll on my edges. Don't know what I was thinking about, but either way, that's the situation. So I'm just taking some pieces from the front of my hair just to kind of have my little baby hairs going. So I always use a comb to like mold my edges, so it's not a lot of tension on there because my hair is already detangled, but as you can tell, it's really molding those edges. So if you have fine hair around your edges, this is going to be the best way to kind of give it the illusion of looking full. And then you just want to get a nice hair tie and just pin your hair up or tie your hair up. You generally don't want to use a rubber band, but if you do, just make sure you put a little bit of oil on there. And then I'm just going to twist it and then just pin it down. Now I'm going to take the hair piece and I'm just running my fingers through it to show you it is a little bit of shedding, not terrible, not a huge amount, which is normal for curly hair. And I'm just clipping it on, and I'm going to take the tie and just wrap it around. Excuse the thunder, it's a little rainy out here right now. So you'll see me doing that. So now I'm taking that hair tie and I'm just going to clip it and conceal the band just to give it a more natural look. Now I was kind of curious on how it would turn out because it did appear to be very thin to me, but I'm combing it out and it's going to kind of give it a little bit more volume. But I originally felt like, goodness, I would need 2 of these packs just to give it the look that I'm going for, but you can really finesse it and make it work. So after doing my baby hairs, I'm going to just show you how I really liven up the ponytail and just give it a lot of shine and make it look really natural. So yeah. So I'm going to take some of that My L hair conditioner and I'm just going to take a little bit and add that to the ponytail. You can also use some foaming mousse if you have that as well. And I didn't want to do too much of it because I didn't want to weigh it down too much. And then I'm going to go ahead and just brush it through or brush it out again, just to really penetrate the hair and get it to go throughout. And it's coming out pretty good. So again, with this being curly, although the ponytail is thin, you can definitely finesse it and make it look full. I wanted to also show you that you can add this, you can make a bun out of this ponytail, so you can also do different styles with it and make it work for you. So you have a lot of flexibility there. I would just kind of pin it with a hairpin and you're good to go. This is the final look of it. So I hope that you gems definitely did enjoy it. As you can tell, it's got a lot of nice shine to it and it truly does look natural, like it's just my hair. I wish that it was a little bit fuller, so you may want to just consider getting 2 packs. However, if you like how it looks, then you know you're good to go. And for it to be 20 inches, I think is a pretty decent length. So yeah, leave comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, I will see you gems in the next video. Bye!